Hey everyone! Got rejected from the YouTube Partner Program for reused or auto-generated content, even though your content is 100% original? Don't worry, you can appeal, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create a strong appeal video that tells YouTube the full story and gives your channel the best chance for approval. It's your one chance to talk directly to a real human reviewer at YouTube and explain why your channel deserves to be monetized. First, let's understand what YouTube looks for. They want to ensure that the videos on monetized channels are original, valuable, and created by a real person. So, here's how to structure your appeal video. Speaking directly to the camera, simple background books, whiteboard or creative workspace. Real educator, not auto-generated. Delivering real educational value. Student engagement and feedback. Why your content isn't mass-produced. Smile, respectful, and purposeful. Here is a video that you can create and send.
Dear YouTube team, thanks so much for reviewing my channel. I want to respond directly to the concern that my videos might seem mass-produced or lack educational value. I take that seriously because my mission is exactly the opposite. I'm here to educate, not just upload. Every lesson I create is based on real research, real preparation, and real teaching experience. I don't use auto-generated scripts, AI voices, or repurposed content. I write every word myself, record with my voice, and build each visual or slide to match what I'm teaching. This isn't just content, it's instructional design. My channel is focused on helping viewers understand the subject, not just memorize facts. For example, if I'm explaining a math concept or a WordPress tutorial, I break it down with analogies, on-screen examples, and step-by-step explanations. I also include real-world applications to help people connect theory to practice. I actively engage with my audience through comments and community posts. Many of my videos come directly from viewer questions. I even update or re-record topics based on feedback. I care about what real learners are struggling with, and I tailor my content to help them move forward one step at a time. My videos aren't made for clicks or quick views. They're made to teach. I focus on clarity, retention, and pacing. I don't mass upload or reuse footage across videos. Each lesson is crafted with intention because I believe education deserves that level of care. Thank you for taking the time to hear me out. I'm proud to be part of the YouTube educational community, and I'm committed to maintaining high standards of originality, usefulness, and value for learners everywhere. I'd love to continue sharing knowledge through the YouTube Partner Program. Thanks again for your time and consideration.